Oh, easy, you thirsty. I know you are, girl. I know you are. All right, good morning, internet. Actually, I'm gonna say good morning to my YouTubians. We are back on Okeelani, and let me tell you, oh man, she feels so much better right now. So, first and foremost, she got some fresh meats on her, and I cannot wait to really use these tires. Secondly, I still have zero back brake, and this rotor is all scratched up because it's metal on metal, and for some odd reason I still use my rear brake. I did also swap out my clutch lever here, well, the actual perch, because this little piece right here was all broken and the threads were all messed up in there, so the clutch was very loose. So we're good to go on that. So this bike does feel a lot better just from those two little things. Well, tires are a big thing. But today, get off to a really late start. I'm gonna explain why I haven't even posted anything actually. Overall, I've been super busy. I have two other cars that I'm actually working on, so kind of balancing time and everything, it's kind of difficult sometimes. Oh, that was nasty. I just sneezed all over your guys' ears. And for some odd reason, I covered my mouth when I did it, even though I'm wearing a helmet. Anyway, let's kick this video off. We're probably just gonna skip to, I don't even know where I'm going. I'm probably gonna end up in the San Francisco area again. Like I said, I got off to a late start today. It's about 3 o'clock, so I'm not gonna ride too much. I wanted to ride up north, but that would be about a 2-hour ride, so I would rather do that starting in the morning when I have more time. Today I just wanted to get out on a bike because it's been, I think, a little over a week. But let's hop on, old girl. She's thirsty. She got some old petrol. As always, we're at the Illuminati funded shell. So I had to cut my grip here because I didn't have a drill bit to take this off, to take everything off just to replace that. Anyway, let's get moving, shall we? Because I am hot and it is super warm out today. Alright, we gotta get through this, people. So I promise you guys, this is not really the start of the video. I just have to go through the city to get to where I'm going. Coincidence, right? Ah! Bicycle. Oh. I hate bicycles. Just to do that, to piss them off, it brings so much joy in my life. Let's see if he says anything. I can't hear you. Yes, I finally pissed one off. Oh god, this is like the best day of my life. Truly is a good day, people, when you can make bicyclists angry. I can see it now in comments. People will be like, yo, you're an asshole. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna be laughing about this the whole time. Do you guys think I'm an asshole for doing that? I mean, I'm really not going to disagree with you on that one. I don't know, they want to be part of the road and then they break all the rules. They blow stop signs, they blow red lights, they just sit in the middle of the road. And I understand it's share the road, but it doesn't mean you just sit in the middle of the road. You're on a bicycle, man, just move over. If you're a mountain biker, if you do mountain biking, I like those. I want a mountain bike to go on mountains. But as far as like these little guys in their little tights and everything, and they're riding their bicycles everywhere, no, just stay off the road, dude. Leave it for the cars. Oh, nice. Okay, so today's just gonna be me. I want to feel how these tires feel. Yeah, that's right. Oh, these tires. Oh, I wanna. Oh, nice. These tires are so much stickier. I can just feel it. I just feel the difference. It could be because they're brand new, but I keep forgetting I have no rear brake and I keep hitting it. Ooh. I think the only reason to really own a motorcycle in California is the lane split. That's it. Oh, perfect. Perfect, perfect scenery. Not having a fucking rear brake. I keep tapping it and it's not doing anything. The brisk, slow down. No, I can't see, can't see. Damn it, stop hitting your rear brakes. Down here, I gotta rest my hands, they hurt. It's like a beach right here. This is nice. Never been here before. Wow, everyone's all dressed appropriately. Damn, I need to come here more often. I wanna go feel the water. I probably look like an idiot. You know, been in California 7 years. I've yet to go swimming in the ocean this year. Mark my words, people. Mark my words. Ooh, it's pretty warm. Wow, I just saw San Francisco, a glimpse of it. That shit was like, it was the same size as my, never mind. What is this? Volkswagen Haven over here? Oh, please don't break. Please don't break. You have 4 wheels. Civilization, we're only about 40 miles away from it. I'm not even trying to like lean hard on the bike or anything. I'm just trying to get to a damn gas station at this point. That light's gonna come on any second. People, they're not whales in the middle of the road. They're bicycles. Oh, sweet Havana. We ain't gonna make it to a gas station at this point, fellas. Slow vehicles must use turnout. Most people apparently can't read those signs. Daddy gotta get to a gas station, people. Well, while we're kind of cruising to a gas station, I need to ask you, all of you, why so much hate on that review video I did on the R6? You guys were hating. There was a lot of negativity. Everyone kept saying, let go of the f***ing throttle whenever I shifted. Man, you guys really hurt my feelings on that video. I'm just kidding. You guys didn't hurt my feelings. I don't give a shit. I don't let go of the throttle. I don't let go of the throttle fast enough, okay? My clutch hand is faster than my throttle hand. I'm sorry, okay? Oh, sharp turn. As I hit my rear brake, that does absolutely nothing. I know this is the end somewhere. Oh, that stop sign's not for me, though. At least I don't think it is. So people, what I am going to say to you is if you buy a vehicle that's its intended purpose is to be not so much romped on where you're actually destroying it, where you're sitting there just doing fucking red line coasters on it. If you don't know what a red line coaster is, Google it. I mean, they're made for this. This is what sport bikes are made for. They're not made to just cruise around on. You can, yes, but they're made to be beaten. Sharp turn. My forehead hurts. Oh yeah, calm down. It's okay, girl. It's okay. I'm gonna let you breathe for a little bit. Hello. Can I have $7 on pump 7? No. Oh, that's not good? The corner's still there?
Yeah, the machine needs no second.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's old school. What you guys know about that one? Drip, drip. Whoa, there's a big truck behind me. Excuse me. Oh God. Ready to say what's up to Gandhi. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and end today's video. Today was really just about kind of going through these tires and seeing how they handle up with the 2CTs, CT2s, whatever, C2Ts, I forgot what they're called, which were absolute garbage. Regardless, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more. If you're into cars, head over to my second channel. I do post nothing but car stuff on there. I was going from daily uploads, but now I'm not uploading as much because I'm kind of catching up with the car scene and everything. But I do have some good stuff happening with the EVO. If you made it to the end of this video, you guys are the real MVPs. Make sure you give this video a big old fat thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. Definitely head over to my Instagram. I'm always trying to add as much stories as possible. I don't really post much pictures or anything. Nobody really seems to care about the bike stuff, but I still post it anyway. And as always, I need all of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Wow. What a jerk. Oh wow, holy shit, it's 6:30. Oh, just remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Your boy Machine here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.